Hello, hi guys! Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. This is Jim from Masagari Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong gabing to, tingnan natin ang nagsasabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. This is special gabay for the month of November 6 hanggang November 15 for the sign of Virgo. So Virgo, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, at spirits ang ating masasagap for today's video? Kanino naman kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Virgo signs ang ating mahagilap. So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And hit notification bell for more videos update. And of course, maraming salamat sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo na hindi nag-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapalsiksik tiglig na guumapaw ang bumalik sa inyong biyaya. So maraming salamat po. So umpisahan na natin ang totoong laban. Angel Spirit Messages. Bigyan mo ako ng pasabog-bulabog na mensahe para sa mga kapatid natin dyan, Virgo. Ano? Tuti! Talagang there is a four of coin. Budget. Protectionan mo yung finances or something na kailangan magtipid ka. Or something kailangan mo mag-ipon, no? Let's see, additional messages. Additional messages. There's the moon card. Ibig sabihin dito, there's a revelations, no? Or there's a truth reveal, no? Kumbaga marami kang malalaman na, or there's a dreams, rather, no? Mayroon kang matutupad na pangarap din dito, no? Sinasabi sa'yo dito na magdadala sa'yo ng wish fulfillment. Kumbaga sinasabi dito, kailangan mo mag-budget at magtipid, na mag-savings. Kumbaga, there's the moon card. There's a truth reveal na, kumbaga, dapat doon ka sa katotohanan na magbibigay sa'yo ng benefits sa huli. And of course, there's a two of swords, there's an indecisions, no? Kumbaga there's a confusion rather, no? Kumbaga naguguluhan ka ngayon. Additional messages. And of course, there's high phrases. There's an hidden agenda or hidden enemies, or there's an unexpected moment, or there's a mystery, no? Kumbaga, there is an indecisions. Kumbaga sinasabi sa'yo dito na, kumbaga, kinakapa mo pa, no? May mga bagay na parang gusto mo pang malaman or may mga bagay na gusto mong alamin about dito. Let's see. And of course, there's a four of wands. There's a celebration. And of course, there's a wedding, homecoming, and twin flame energy, no? There's an 11-11. And of course, there's a chariot card, taking action. Ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga, this is the moment na, kumbaga, para maranasan mo na ang marangyang buhay, no? Kumbaga, ipagkakaloob na sa'yo with the celebration, there's a time, no? Kumbaga, may oras talaga. Kumbaga, there's a time or there's a perfect timing. So, let's see what is the four of coin. There is a queen of coins. So, ibig sabihin talaga, maging practical ka pagdating sa finances, no? Pagdating sa trabaho, negosyo, hanap buhay, or pagdating sa savings mo, kailangan maging practical ka. So, let's see what is the moon card. Dapat mag-invest ka or something, kailangan mag-isip ka ng bagay na, kumbaga hindi lang nakastock yung pera mo sa bangko or something na kailangan mong mag-grow siya. And of course, there is a page of cup. Listen to your intuitions, no? Makinig ka sa intuitions mo. Kaya pala, there's a the moon card, kumbaga there's a dreams na may mga pangarap ka may isa sa katuparan. Some of you baka pinapasok to sa panaginip mo, no? Yung mga information. There's a two of swords. Baka pinapasok sa panaginip mo kung anong negosyo, or anong trabaho, or parang may nakikita kong bigasan or something, no? And of course, there is a queen of cups. There's an healing. There's an indecision dito para sinasabi na kailangan mo magdesisyon at magkakaroon ka na ng healing dyan sa desisyon na yan, no? Mauunawaan mo na at malalaman mo kung ano ba talaga yung offer. Ano ba talaga yung gusto mong gawin sa buhay mo or life purpose mo. So, there's the high priestess. There's a seven of coin. Maraming unexpected of harvest time, no? And of course, paying off, no? Marami ka ditong kumbaga maani, no? Marami ka siguro pinundar either, no? Let's see what is the four of wands. And of course, there is a Six of Coin. Magtutuloy-tuloy na nga about sa finances. Ang lakas ng pasabog dito. No, talagang magkakaroon ka ng celebration. So, what is the Chariot card? And of course, there's an Ace of Swords. So, ibig sabihin, parating talaga ang tagumpay. Ace of Swords is a breakthrough. Tagumpay. And of course, the Chariot is a taking actions or movement. No, talagang sinasabi sa'yo dito, na parating na ang kasaganahan. Kumapit ka. So, what is Four of Coin and of course the Queen of Coin? What is the Four of Coin and the Queen of Coin? There is the word card. Some of you, baka nang ibang bansa ka, or nalaki na naipon mo sa ibang bansa, or something na maging ibang bansa ka, kailangan maging wise ka dyan sa pinaghirapan mo. So, let's see what is the Moon card in the Page of Cups. There's a Palace of Coin. So, ibig sabihin tayo dito, na magkakaroon ka ng long-term sa long-term investment, no? Pangmatagalan daw to. About sa finances. What is the Queen of Cups and the Two of Swords? There is a Palace of Cups. Ibig sabihin, in long-term success and long-term investment and long-term happiness. Na magkakaroon ka ng kaligayahan dito with your family, with your friends, or something. And because there is a the Sun card na magsadadala sa'yo ng pure positivity and pure positive outcome. Kumbaga, harvest ka na lang ng harvest at the end of the time. So, what is the Four of Wands and of course the Six of Coin? What is Four of Wands and the Six of Coin? There's a Five of Cups, no? Kumbaga, wag mong sasayangin yung mga opportunities, no? Or there's a regret. Kumbaga, maraming, kumbaga, nanghihinayang, no? Sa nangyari sa'yo. Kumbaga, iniwan ka, no? Pinakawalan ka. Kumbaga, maraming, nagkaroon ng regret yung person mo dati, no? And because there is a Two of Wands, there is a decision. There's a two path, no? Dapat alam mo yung life purpose mo and of course life plan mo. So, let's see what is the Five of Cups is here. Bakit nandito yung Five of Cups, no? And of course, there's a Strength card. So, kumbaga, alisin mo daw yung fear, yung takot at pangamba mo, no? Or some of you, kumbaga, yung confident, no? Kumbaga, nawalan ka ng confident dahil sa nangyari sa'yo from the past. So, sinasabi sa'yo dito, muli mong ibalik yung self-esteem and self-worth mo, no? So, let's see what is the outcome. Let's see what is the outcome. Ang pinaka-outcome dito is a Page of Wands, a good news. And because sa Tree of Life, ibig sabihin talaga there's a lot of branches. No? Talagang maraming sanga-sanga ng tagumpay. At there's a family to, parang sanga ng pamilya or something na kumbaga dadami o kumbaga uusbong ang iyong finances. And of course, there's a Nine of Cups, there's a wish fulfillment. Kumbaga kumbaga dadami yung finances mo or the source of income mo. Either baka may negosyo ka, baka dumami yung branches, ganon. So, let's see what is the Love Oracle card. Let's see what is the Love Oracle card. There's an engagement ring. Some of you, kumbaga there's a union or something, a partnership. Girl with a snake, no? Mag-ingat ka kasi may ahas dito. Diba? Talagang hindi nawawala sa Virgo ang ahas, no? And kung sinasabi sa'yo dito na kailangan nyo mag-ingat at mag-set ng boundaries para hindi nakakapasok yung mga higad, charis, and of course, ng ahas, and of course, see, stab in the back. Diba? Ito yung shocking attack, kumbaga bibiglain ka nitong tao na to, kumbaga malapit sa'yo, tapos, diba, tatraidoring ka, diba? Kailangan mo talaga magkaroon ng protection sa sarili mo na mailayo ka sa mga negativities, lalo-lalo na yung mga nagbabackstab. Let's see what is the Yin and Yang Oracle card. There's a detachment. See? Kailangan mong kumawala dun sa mga taong, kumbaga nanlalamig ka na dun sa tao na yun kasi parang nagkaroon na ng lamat, no? Hindi wala mo. So, mauulit-ulit yun. So, ang ahas ka, kahit na magbalat ng anyo, yan ahas pa rin. Because there's a fear, no? Kumbaga, wag mong bigyan ng limitasyon sa sarili mo na matakot ka sa mga bagay-bagay. Dapat handa kang matuto at handa kang magsakripisyo at handa kang, kumbaga, sumugal sa hamon ng buhay. And of course, there's a stability. Magdadala daw to sa'yo ng stability and control. And of course, there's a flow, no? Hayaan mong dumaloy. Wag kang magbigay ng negative traits or something na negatibo. Kailangan lagi kang always think positive. So, let's see what is Archangel Michael messages for you. Archangel Michael messages for you is, you're on the right path. Nasa tamang direction ka daw. At sinasabi dito, your home is protected by angels. No, protektado naman ang tahanan nyo ng ating mga anghel. Diba? Gabay na gabay naman daw. So let's see what is additional messages for Montology. Angel Spirit Guides, give me information about this Montology. You're very close to achieve your goal. Napakalapit mo na para may sakat pa rin pangarap mo. Nothing is yet set in stone. So, ibig sabihin may mga bagay na hindi pa napapanahon o hindi pa inaadya, no? And of course, let's see what is additional. And you are good enough. No? Sapat ka na daw. No? Parang biglang ka nagkakaroon realization na bakit ganito. Kumbaga, nagkakaroon ka ng moment of emotions. Yung parang nag-emote ka, drama, no? Kumbaga sinasabi dito, tigilan mo yung pagdadrama mo, no? Kasi parang nagbibigay ng blockages yan. And of course, fourth, don't follow, no? Kumbaga sinasabi dito na be a leader, no, of your own story, no? Huwag ka dapat maging sunod-sunuran sa mga tao sa paligid mo. And of course, there is an earth, no? In the world but not for of it. Ibig sabihin dito, dapat matuto ka na, kumbaga, sa larangan ng buhay, no? Maraming taong tuso, kaya mag-ingat ka. Susubukan kang saktan, susubukan kang lokohan, susubukan kang, di ba? Kaya mag-ingat ka. So, let's see what is additional messages. There's a death card. There's an ending and a new beginning. A transformation, no? May mga bagay na matatapos na at may mga bagay na magsisimula sa'yo. And of course, there's a humor. Dapat titignan mo yung, magpo-focus ka dun sa lighter side of your life. Yung tinitignan mo yung mga magiging magandang kahihinatnan. Huwag ka tumingin sa mga negatibo. No? So, let's see what is additional messages for Angel Spirit Guides. There's a gift, no? You're also gifted. No? Maraming regalo or maraming ibibigay sa yung regalo ang universe. And of course, there's a release. No? Kailangan mo i-release yung negativities. No? Kailangan mo i-release yung toxicities. Until now, Virgo, yan pa din, marami ka pa rin toxic. So, ibig sabihin, hindi ka nagtitake ng action. So, pinapakinggan mo lang na pinapakinggan yung reading ko, pero hindi ka nagtitake ng action. Kasi nandito pa rin yung negativities. And because there is a patient, no? Kumbaga, habaan mo ang pasensya mo, no? And because there is a time to heal and time to progress, no? Kumbaga, kailangan mo talagang dumaan sa step by step. And of course, 6 Arcangel Metatron surprises, no? There's a lot of surprises. Shocking news. Kaya there's a shocking attack. Kaya mag-ingat ka, no? So, let's see what is the chakra. There's a destiny. Wow! Talagang may nakatadhana at nakalaan. Gratitudes, no? Kumbaga, mabusila kang puso mo. And of course, there's a creations, no? May mga bagay na ginagawa tayo rin na naglalagay sa atin sa kalalagyan natin, no? Kaya kung ikaw yung nag-create ng bagay kung nasaan ka, ikaw din yung makagawa ng paraan para makaalis ka dyan. And of course, some of you, there's a children. May mga anak na kayo, no? Some of you. So, let's see what is additional messages. And of course, there's a flower. So, muli ka mamamayagpat at muli ka mamumulaklakti bilang isang bulaklak. And of course, there's a crystal. So, kailangan yung mga gemstones, like kumbaga gemstones like an amethyst for healing energy. Kumbaga there's an evil eye for contracts for ingot. And of course there's a tiger eye for boost your confidence, no? Kumbaga kailangan niyo ng mga gemstone and of course mga crystal stones. So let's see what is additional messages. And of course there's a Jesus loving quotes. Heal the sick that they're in, and say unto them, the kingdom of God come nigh into you. Ibig sabihin sa'yo, na pagagalingin ka niya sa sugat ng nakaraan, sa sugat na pinagdadaanan mo, sa anumang sugat o lalim na dulot ng nakaraan mo. So, ibig sabihin dito na ipapakita sa'yo ni God kung anong kahalagahan mo at ibibigay sa'yo ang kagalingan na hinahangad mo at ang kaligayahan na gustong-gusto mo makamit, no? Kumbaga, dapat mong matutunan ang mga bagay-bagay, diba? So, let's see what is the angel's number. Let's see what is the angel's number. There's a 15, I am wise. So, ngayon sinasabi sa'yo dito, doon pa lang, di ba? Doon pa lang sa simula sinasabi na sa'yo, maging wise ka. Maging matalino ka at maging mapagmatsyag ka at maging practical ka. At sinasabi dito, your love for others is powerful and you are able to spread your gift of support, far and wide, your curious and social nature brings you in a contact with a variety of people. All who would you benefit from your warm, heartfelt words of wisdom. So, talagang napakabusila ka, napakabuti mong tao, no? Kaya minsan inaabuso ka na nila. So, kailangan maging wais at maging matalino ka na ngayon. Sa generation ngayon, T, 'di ba? Lahat, ako karamihan na diyan tuso. Kaya maging aware ka. Ano kasi sinasabi dito, there's unwelcoming happiness. So, let's see. Divine love is manifesting in me, through me, and around me. It attracts all that I need to for benefits of my soul. As I work to increase my inner light, I evolve in imitations of love and joy. Today, I reap and welcome the happiness and beauty of all I have sown. Ibig sabihin dito na ipapakita sa iyo yung gandang klase ng buhay na ilalaan sa'yo o nakalaan sa'yo, no? Kumbaga may mga bagay lang talaga na mapagdadaanan mo. There's a step by step, there's a process and progress, and because may mga ways, no, journey kang mapagdadaanan or parang dumaan sa isang road na minsan may madilim at minsan may liwanag. So, ibig sabihin nito, tatahakin mo hanggang sa dulo ng walang hanggang doon sa dulo ng kaliwanagan. Kaya kapag natumbok mo yon, doon mo makukuha at makakamtan ang tagumpay na inaasam-asam mo. So guys, this is a special gabay for the month of November 6 hanggang November 15 for the sign of Virgo. This reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Maraming salamat guys sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalong-lalo na hindi nag-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapasiksik digdig na gumapaw ang manumbalik sa inyong biyaya. Maraming salamat po and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!